ensure and safeguard the future of these happy young faces, SR Foundation recently collaborated with the government of Gujarat in its mission to eradicate the problem of malnourishment among the children below the age of 5. SR Foundation joined forces with the district administration of Jamnagar and found that Jamnagar's Khambaliya Taluka area has one of the highest percentages of malnourished children in the state of Gujarat.
जो 0 to 5 years चिल्ड्रन है उसका माल नरिशमेंट का स्टेटस बोले तो खास करके 5% आर सीवियरली माल नरिश्ड, तो वो रेड क्लासिफिकेशन में आते हैं, और 15 to 70% आर कमिंग इन मॉडरेटली माल नरिश्ड मीन्स येलो क्लासिफिकेशन आते हैं.
The launch program saw success in Jamnagar as many mothers eagerly lined up to attend the event. The event also hosted a much pleased Mrs. Vasuben Trivedi, Minister of Women and Child Development Gujarat, where she not only attended the event but also addressed the audience and engaged with them.
SR કંપની જે જામનગર જિલ્લામાં આવેલી છે, સમગ્ર દેશ અને દુનિયાનું ધ્યાન ખેંચનારી બની છે, ત્યારે સોશિયલ કમિટમેન્ટના ભાગરૂપે એમણે પણ અમારા જિલ્લાના શિશુ મંગલમ પ્રોજેક્ટમાં 10 લાખ રૂપિયાનો ફાળો આપીને ખૂબ સારું કામ, અમને ઉત્સાહ આપનારું કામ કર્યું છે. SR માત્ર બિઝનેસ કરે કે ઉદ્યોગ કરે એવું નહીં, પરંતુ વિસ્તારના લોકોના પોષણની પણ ચિંતા કરે છે. આવતીકાલનું ગુજરાત બનવાનું છે અને ભવિષ્યમાં આ ઇન્ડસ્ટ્રીમાં આ લોકો પણ કામ કરવાના છે.
The malnutrition program is aimed to touch 5,000 young lives, consisting of 4 phases, namely a survey to know the extent of malnutrition among the target group, workshops and seminars for the staff, health checkups free of cost and distribution of free medicines, and finally distribution of supplementary nutrition.
When we have reviewed in a formal or informal process in nearby area, we found out that not only poverty in this area is a problem, but there are bigger problems about health. And health, when we have drilled it down, it has come back to the nutrients issue, and nutrients issue to the kids. Now there is a young generations where already they are running with a deficit, you can't correct it. But when it is the kids, if you take care of them, like this flower, kid also will grow tomorrow and it become a good citizen, healthy citizen rather.
By donating 10 lakh rupees to this noble cause of helping to eradicate malnourishment among children, SR Foundation continues to successfully coexist with SR businesses by relentlessly contributing to the improvement of the society the company operates in.